I'll share how I saved $480 this year on streaming using 10 clever tricks, including a few you probably wouldn't think of. Then I'll reveal how those savings can snowball with a free tool I poured over 40 hours into creating just for you. I discovered that by using the free ad blocker extension uBlock Origin, you can get a more affordable subscription price. For example, with Hulu and Peacock, I bought the cheaper ad-supported plan and skipped ads for free by employing an ad blocker. You could save an extra $180 a year on these subscriptions by choosing the cheaper plans. To install this extension, open a browser and look at the top right corner for three dots or lines. Click on that and then click Extensions or Add-ons depending on your browser. Finally, search for uBlock Origin and install it. I watch on my laptop and connect it to my TV for a bigger screen. Keep in mind, this doesn't work directly from a smart TV or on a phone. It has to be done on a computer. I encourage you to test this method with apps you use and help more people keep costs down by commenting below with places where everyone can save money. Did you know there's a way to unlock more content on Netflix without paying extra? When I run out of shows, I use a VPN to change my location. By switching to a UK server on Nord, for example, I get access to new movies and shows like The Office and The Big Bang Theory. This has saved me from subscribing to additional services. It's worth noting, it might take a few tries to find a server that works, and you generally need to be signed into Netflix first before connecting to the VPN. I've found that if you attempt to sign in after you connect to the VPN, it won't allow you to log into Netflix. There are plenty of free VPN options, but I use NordVPN because I trust it more with my data. However, if you're only using it for streaming Netflix, free options should work just fine. If you've liked these easy ways to save and stretch your budget I've suggested so far, then you'll love this. I canceled my paid subscriptions and tried free alternatives like Roku, Pluto TV, Tubi, Plex, Sling, Fandango at Home, the CW TV, Retro Crush, and Freevee. I connected with my local library for another streaming service called Canopy. These services offer a variety of content, and you can always resubscribe to your usual streaming platforms when there are specific things you want to watch. Roku offers popular movies like Life of the Party, Ready Player One, The Emoji Movie, and IP Man. Pluto TV features classic anime like Sailor Moon, One Piece, Naruto, and Hunter x Hunter. There is also an abundance of classic movies for older generations, so everyone can enjoy the available content. If you ever need extra ideas, then Google is your best friend. Don't forget to combine these streaming services with my first suggestion to help reduce ads. Exploring these options can help you avoid spending more than you have to. A thumbs up helps this video reach a wider audience and inspires me to create additional content, so please click that like button. While some websites offer every show and movie in the world for free, consider the ethical implications and potential risks. If you use these sites, ensure your safety by using a VPN, ad blocker, virus protection, and keeping your device up to date. To find options for this, I recommend a Google search, asking friends, and checking forums. How many times have you signed up for a trial and forgotten to cancel before being charged? I get the most out of free trials by canceling the subscription seconds after subscribing. So far, every time I've done this, it still gives me full access for the length of the free trial. Doing it this way, I don't forget to cancel later and avoid unexpected charges. It is attainable for everyone to create lasting wealth when you make small changes like this in your life. If managing all your subscriptions seems overwhelming, ScribeUp can help. This free tool is used to manage and cancel subscriptions easily from one interface to keep you organized. A great feature of ScribeUp is that you can set notifications to remind yourself about subscription renewals and even set up auto unsubscribe to make it so you're never charged again after free trials end. This app is completely free and does not sell your information. ScribeUp makes a small percentage from the merchant on interchange fees, but this doesn't increase the price you have to pay. With the tool I created, which functions like a savings account, you can easily track your finances and see how much further your money can go in a high-yield savings account. If you put your funds into a 4.65% annual percentage yield savings account with My Banking Direct, or invest them, you could have $93,000 instead of losing $23,000 over the next 50 years. On the first page, you can input how much you plan to save in each category, and it will calculate compounding interest for you. The second page is for budgeting. I would love to hear if my tool adds value to your life. You can find the link to the tool in my description below. Let me know how much you expect to save this year after reviewing all your expenses. By adopting these next 4 habits of frugal people, you will stretch your budget immensely. You can save more by paying for 6 to 12-month subscriptions. Many services offer discounts for longer commitments, cutting your costs over time. Cancel subscriptions when you're not using them. For example, stop Netflix until new shows build up, so you only pay for what you watch. Try to stick to one subscription at a time. Watch all the content you're interested in, then cancel and switch to another. This way, you avoid paying for unused services. Check on Black Friday for deals on all the subscriptions you have or want to try. Hulu and Peacock often have significant discounts. I noticed if you already have an account that you recently paid for service, you may have to use a new email. One time, they even kept track of the credit card I used, so I had to pay with a different card. You can maximize your savings and achieve financial security like me, starting with your streaming services. In future videos, I'll share how I saved $7,000 in a year and show you how to become a frugal money saver.